Well, first of all, we fell in love with what we saw. It was how I would have written it myself, how I would have tailored it to our program ourselves. My name is Katherine Morris.
My name is Mandy Bourland.
As team leaders, Mandy and I support our dyslexia specialists across the district.
We needed a curriculum for our students that is systematic, explicit, cumulative instruction in order to meet the expectations and the standards for dyslexia instruction.
The biggest reason that we chose the Foundational Skills Kit is because it's fun to teach our students.
The Superkids Foundational Skills Kit provides a unique opportunity for students with dyslexia to interact on a personal level with the characters. When they're learning the k sound, they have Cass, who likes to cook, and she has a cat named Coconut. They have the hand gestures to go with the k sound, and she cooks, and so they stir every time they hear the k sound at the beginning of a word. It was a curriculum that really made me want to go back into the classroom to teach.
Seeing the joy on their faces and the light bulbs go off is indescribable. It's amazing to be a witness to them putting it together.